महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं ज्ञानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारम् प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम् अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम् अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयवन्
ऋलक् ये ओंग
औच
अयौच हयवरट
लन्
लण्डन् न्यमननम्
झभै
झभै गडदश जबगडदश खपचटतौ चटतौ कपै शशसर हल
इति माहेश्वराणि
सूत्राणि.
Is my voice clear? Is it breaking?
There is a break, Shanj.
When I speak continuously, it will become more right. Okay. अकुभविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुह
विसर्जनीयानां
विसर्जनीयानां
कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां
इचुयशानां
तालु
तालु
ऋतुषाणां मूर्धः
ऋटुरषाणां
ऋटुरषाणां
मूर्धा
मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां
विलसानां
दन्ताः
दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम्
ओष्ठौ
ओष्ठौ
नासिका च
न्यमननानां नासिका च
एतैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
कण्ठतालु
ओधौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः
कण्ठ
कण्ठ
ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका
अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो
राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेण विहतानि शचमुः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण
निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
सुऔजस्
तु औजस्
औजस्
औषस्
अभ्याम्बिस्
टाभ्याम्भिस्
नेभ्याम्बिस्
न्येभ्याम्भ्यस्
न्यसीभ्याम्बिस्
न्यसीभ्याम्भ्यस्
न्यस्पोस्ताम्
न्यस्पोसाम्
नि ओसुप्
नीओसुप्
सु औजस्
तु औजस्
तस्झि
तिप्तस्थि
सिप्तस्थ
सिप्तस्थ
इप्पस्मस्
मिप्वस्मस्
आतां झ
आतां च
ध्वं
आतां ध्वम्
इट् वहि महिङ्
इट् वहि महिङ्
तीतः अन्ति
तीतः
अन्ति
सीतः थ
तीतः थ
मी वः महा
मी वः मः
आते अन्ते
ते आते अन्ते
से आथे द्वे
से आते द्वे
ये वहे महे
ए
महे
महे
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवति
भवति
भवतः
भवतः
भवन्ति
भवन्ति
भवसि भवतः भवतः
भवसि
भवसि
भवतः
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 भवामि भवावः भवामः
भवामि
भवामि
भवावः
भवावः
भवामः
लभते लभेते लभन्ते
लभते
लभते
लभेते
लभेते
लभन्ते
लभन्ते
लभसे लभेते लभद्वे
लभसे
लभसे
लभेते
लभेते
लभद्वे
लभद्वे
लभे लभावहे लभामहे
लभे
लभे
लभावहे
लभामहे
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 करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
करोति
करोति
कुरुतः
कुरुतः
कुर्वन्ति
कुर्वन्ति
करोषि कुरुतः कुरुतः
करोषि
करोषि
कुरुतः
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 करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
कुरुते कुर्वाते कुर्वते
कुरुते
कुरुते
कुर्वाते
कुर्वाते
कुर्वते
कुर्वते
कुरुषे कुर्वाथे कुरुद्वे
कुरुषे
कुरुषे
कुर्वाते
कुर्वाते
कुरुद्वे
कुरुद्वे
कुर्वे कुर्वहे कुर्महे
कुर्वे
कुर्वे
कुर्वहे
कुर्वहे
कुर्महे
कुर्महे
सकाराताम् अन्
सकाराताम् अन्
अन्
सकारातं त
सकारातं त
अं म अन्त
अन्त
थाः आथां द्वं
थाः
आथां
द्वं
त्वं
इ वहि महि
ई
वहि महि
अभवत् अभवताम् अभवन्
अभवत्
अभवताम्
अभवन्
अभवन्
अभवतम् अभवत
अभवः
अभवतम्
अभवत
अभवत
अभवम् अभवाव अभवाम
अभवम्
अभवाव
अभवाम
अभवाम
अलभत अलभेताम् अलभन्त
अलभत
अलभत
अलभेताम्
अलभेताम्
अलभन्त
अलभन्त
अलभथाः अलभेथाम् अलभध्वम्
अलभथाः
अलभेताम्
अलभेताम्
अलभध्वम्
अलभे अलभावहि अलभामहि
अलभे अलभामहि अलभामहि
अलभामहि
अकरोत् अकुरुताम् अकुर्वन्
अकरोत्
अकुरुताम्
अकुर्वन्
अकरोः अकुरुतम् अकुरुत
अकरोः अकुरुतम्
अकुरुत
अकुरुत
अकरवम् अकुर्व अकुर्म
अकरवम्
अकुर्व
अकुर्व
अकुर्म
अकुर्म
अकुरुत अकुर्वाताम् अकुर्वत
अकुरुत
अकुरुत
अकुर्वाताम्
अकुर्वत
अकुर्वत
अकुरुथाः अकुर्वाथाम् अकुरुध्वम्
अकुरुथाः
अकुर्वाथाम्
अकुर्वाथाम्
अकुरुध्वम्
अकुर्वी अकुर्वहि अकुर्महि
Akurvi.
अकुर्वहि
Akurvahi.
अकुर्महि
Akurvahi.
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
Asti
स्तः
staha
सन्ति
santi.
असि स्तः स्तः
Asi
स्तः
staha
स्त
sta.
अस्मि स्वः स्मः
अस्मि
Asmi
स्वः
swaha
स्मः
swaha.
आसीत् आस्ताम् आसन्
आसीत्
Asit
आस्ताम्
astam
आसन्
asan.
आसीः आस्तम् आस्त
आसीः
Asihi astam
तम्
asta.
आस्त
आसम् आस्व आस्म
Asam
आस्व आस्म
asma.
तु ताम् अन्तु
Tu
ताम्
tam
अन्तु
antu.
तं त
तं त
Ta
आनि आव
आनि
आव
आव आम
ama.
ताम् इतामन्ताम्
ताम्
Tam
इताम्
antam.
अन्ताम्
स्व इथाम् ध्वम्
Swa
इथाम् ध्वम्
ऐ आवहै आमहै
ऐ
ai
आवहै
avahai
आमहै
भवतु भवताम् भवन्तु
भवतु
भवताम्
भवतां भवतु
भवन्तु
भव भवतम् भवत
भव
भवतं
भवतं
भवत
भवत
भवानि भवाव भवाम
भवानि
भवाव
भवाव
भवाम
भवाम
ताम् लभेताम् लभन्ताम्
लभताम्
लभतां
लभेताम्
लभन्तां
लभन्ताम्
लभस्व लभेथाम् लभध्वम्
लभस्व
लभस्व लभेताम्
लभेतां
लभध्वम्
लभै लभावहै लभामहै
लभै
लभै
लभावहै
लभावहै
लभामहै
लभामहै
करोतु कुरुताम् कुर्वन्तु
करोतु
करोतु
कुरुतां कुर्वन्तु
कुर्वन्तु
कुरु कुरुतम् कुरुत
कुरु
कुरु
कुरुतं
तं
कुरुत
कुरुत
करवाणि करवाव करवाम
करवाणि
करवाणि
करवाव करवाम
करवाम
कुरुताम् कुर्वाताम् कुर्वताम्
कुरुतां
कुरुतां
कुर्वातां
कुर्वतां
कुर्वतां
कुरुष्व कुर्वाथाम् कुरुध्वम्
कुरुष्व
कुरुष्व
कुर्वाथां
कुर्वातां
कुरुध्वम्
कुरुध्वं
करवै करवावहै करवामहै
करवै
करवावहै करवामहै
ईत् ईताम् ईयुः
ईत्
ईत्
ईताम्
तां
ईयुः
ईः ईतम् ईत
ईहि
ईः
ईतम्
ईतं
ईत
ईत
इयम् ईव ईम
ईयम्
इयम्
ईव ईम
इम
ईत ईयाताम् ईरन्
ईत
ईत
ईयाताम्
ईयाताम्
ईरन्
ईरन्
ईथाः ईयाथाम् ईध्वम्
ईथाः
Thaha.
ईयाथाम्
Tham.
ईध्वम्
Dvam.
Iya, Ivahi, Imahi.
ईय ईमहि
Vahi.
ईमहि
Mahi.
Bhavet, Bhavetam, Bhaveyuhu.
भवेत्
Bhavet.
भवेताम्
भवेताम् भवेयुः
Bhaveyuhu.
Bhavehe, Bhavetam, Bhaveta.
भवेः
Bhavehe.
भवेतम्
Bhavetam.
भवेत
Bhaveta.
Bhaveyam, Bhaveva, Bhavema.
भवेयम्
Bhaveyam.
भवेव
भवेव
Bhaveva.
भवेम
भवेम
Bhavema.
Labheta, Labheyatam, Labheran.
लभेत
Labeta.
लभेयाताम्
Labheyatam.
लभेरन्
Labheran.
Labhethaha, Labheyatham, Labhedvam.
लभेथाः
Labhethaha.
लभेयाथाम्
Labheyatham.
लभेध्वम्
Labhedvam.
Labheya, Labhevahi, Labhemahi.
लभेय
लभेय लभेमहि
Labhevahi.
लभेमहि
Labhemahi.
Kurya, Kuryatam, Kuryuku.
कुर्यात्
कुर्यात्
कुर्याताम्
कुर्याताम्
कुर्युः
कुर्युः
Kuryaha, Kuryatam, Kuryata.
कुर्याः
Kuryah.
कुर्यातम्
Kuryatam.
कुर्यात
Kuryata.
Kuryam, Kuryava, Kuryama.
कुर्याम्
Kuryam.
कुर्याव
कुर्याव
कुर्याम
कुर्याम
Kuryama.
Kurvita, Kurviyatam, Kurviran.
कुर्वीत
कुर्वीत
Kurvita.
कुर्वीयाताम्
Kurviyatam.
कुर्वीरन्
Kurviran.
Kurvithaha, Kurviyatham, Kurvidvam.
कुर्वीथाः
Kurvitaha.
कुर्वीयाथाम्
Kurviyatham.
कुर्वीध्वम्
Kurvidvam.
Kurviya, Kurvivahi, Kurvimahi.
कुर्वीय
Kurviya.
कुर्वीमहि
वहि कुर्वीमहि
Kurvimahi.
Astu, Stam Santu.
Astu. Stam
ताम्
santu.
सन्तु
Ethi, Stam Sta.
एधि
Eti.
तं
स्तं
Stam.
स्त
Sta.
Ni Asava, Asama.
असानि
Asani.
साव
असाव
Asava. Asama.
असाम
Syat, Syatam, Syuhu.
स्यात्
Syat.
स्याताम् स्युः
Syaha, Syatam, Syata.
स्याः
स्यातं
Syatam. Syata.
स्यात्
Syam, Syava, Syama.
स्याम्
स्याव
स्याव
Syama.
स्याम
After this Kridanta, we will take the verb and do all the Lakara, the Karmani also. Karmani also we can do, and all the Kridanta forms. Kshatri, Shanach, Sva Pratyaya, Tun Pratyaya, Lep Pratyaya, Tak Tavatu. From Yatatu, you can derive so many Kridanta Rupam and also Lakara. All the four Sarvadhatuka Lakara, Lakara, Nam is Kartari, Prayoga, Prayoga Rupam. Rogini ji, please keep your mic in mute, okay? Please type your name in the chat box. We will continue with the exercise. I think we did up to the 8th sentence. Shayaha nishchitam bruhi tvam parpannam mam upadisha. Now the 9th one. Ramaji, please you can do.
Idam jnanam sankhye abhihita. This knowledge is
Idam jnanam abhigita. So,
denoted in the mark.
Esha te abhigita sankhye buddhir yoge vimam shunu, from Gita only. What is the meaning of abhigita?
Denoted.
Idam jnanam abhigitam. Abhigita dhadatu. You can see the forms. Dha plus tha pratyaya. You get hita. Abhigita means given. Idam jnanam sankhye abhigitam. Idam jnanam, not abhigita. Idam jnanam
Hitam.
abhigitam, it must be. It's a type. Abhigitam. Jnanam abhigitam. Sankhya vishaye idam jnanam abhigitam. Maya abhigitam. Right? Abhigitam. Next one.
Buddhya yuktaha karma bandhat muktaha bhavati.
So buddhya yuktaha is separate. Buddhya yuktaha, endowed with buddhi, vijudhat. Karma bandhat muktaha bhavati.
They are free from karma.
Free from karma. So yuktaha muktaha, both are separate. Next one, can continue.
Yena sarva manogata kamaha tyaktaha. Yena sarva manogata kamaha tyaktaha saha tushtaha. And who sacrifice the desire is happy like that.
Saha tushtaha bhavati. By whom? Yeah. Sarva
manogata kamaha tyaktaha. Yaha yena sarva manogata kamaha tyaktaha.
Yes. Saha tushtaha bhavati. That's right. Can follow, right, all of you?
Yes, Ji.
Prajahati yada kama. All these are simple sentences. Okay, next one.
Shall I continue, Sharanji? Devaha vaha ishtan bhogan dasyanti.
Ishtan bhogan dasyanti. Meaning is?
Desired wealth or enjoyments are given by devas.
Yeah. Vaha is? To whom? Devaha dasyanti.
Vaha is to you, it's Bahuvachanam. Yushmat.
Vidya vibhakti bhagavad.
Vidya vibhakti.
It is Ishmat Shabda.
Yushmat.
So, Vaha, or it can be Chaturthi Bhakti. Chaturthi Bhakti Bhagavacham. That would be better.
Okay.
What is the Chaturthi Bhakti form of Yushmat Shabda?
Yushmabhya. Yaha.
Sorry, what is that? Yushmabhyaha. Right?
Tubhyam te.
Vishmabhyam Baha.
Vishmabhyam.
Vishmabhyam Baha.
Baha is Chaturthi only. Chaturthi, Vishmabhyam or Baha. Both forms are there. Right? Vishmabhyam Baha. Baha is Vishmabhyam. So Vishmabhyam, Ishtan Bhogan. Bhogan, that is Bhogya Vishayan, which is qualified by the Pratyaya, Ishtan Dasyanti. Devaha Dasyanti. Because Kriya is there, therefore we'll take Sampradad. The recipient of that Ishtan Bhogan will be in Chaturthi. Okay, Krishnaji, next one.
Excuse me, here dasyante means given.
Oh, will be given. This, sorry, Bhagavan will give. This is Rit Lakara, which we have not seen. Or we can make it as Devaha. Tadati can make it. Manakala.
And it's breaking a lot for me. I don't know for others.
Yeah, and for me also.
It is difficult to follow your voice.
Yes, Shanji, it is speaking.
Okay, is it from the very beginning?
Yes, Ji, for me it's like that. I don't know about others.
No,
Is it-
few words were broken, but we could follow it up like.
Why it is, I don't know. I think if I speak continuously, it may not break. But if I, because I'm giving gap in between explaining, then I think. Is it for everyone?
Yeah.
Now
Now
it's pretty
it's-
much good.
Yeah.
Now it's fine, Sharanji. We could see. Yeah.
So it means I should not speak, you have to speak. That will be all right.
No, it's
You
other
have
way
to
around,
speak continuously.
Sharanji. You have to speak.
Yeah,
continuously.
You have to speak.
you have to speak continuously, correct?
That is Vedanta class, it will work, but not in Sanskrit class. Anyway, okay. So if it is not clear, you tell me, because this is what.
It seems to be getting
Now
clear
it's
now.
now it's very clear. Every word is clear.
Yeah, that is, if I speak continuously, I think it is clear. So in between, I should not leave any gap. What will I speak? I'm writing this. Okay, anyway, Krishnanji, next sentence. So,
Question, Sharanji.
yeah,
And that Devaha Dadati, it shouldn't it be Bahuvachanam though?
yeah, Bhagavachanam, yes. Yeah, Bhagavachanam only. So, Dadatu Bhagavachanam is Dadati only. Dadati, Dadataha, Dadati. Okay. So, it is Dadati, Bhagavachanam. I think it's Dadati only. Okay. Dadati is Ekavachanam. Can you hear
So
me?
it is in It is in Kartari Prayogam, no? Full sentence.
Yes, yes. So if you have problem with Dadati, because it is Yudotyadikana, you can convert it to Yachanti. Okay. Both are okay. Fine. Next one. Krishnaji. It's Kartari Prayaga only.
देवैः दत्तान् यः देवेभ्यः अप्रदाय भुङ्क्ते सः स्तेनः.
Gita only. So the meaning is, how do you start the sentence?
यः
Saha stenah bhavati.
सः स्तेनः भवति.
Saha stenah bhavati. Kaha.
यः देवेभ्य अप्रदाय भुङ्क्ते.
Yes. Yaha devebhyaha apradaya. Pradaya, what is apradaya?
Who consumes themselves?
No. Apradaya, the meaning of the word apradaya.
Apradaya.
Not he consumes. Devebhyaha apradaya. Dadatu, lepratyaya, with pra, upasarga, pradaya. Pradaya means prakarshena danam krutva. Having given pradaya, but not na pradaya apradaya. It is nanch. So na pradaya apradaya. Having not given
Okay.
to Bhagavan. Yaha devebhyaha to Bhagavan. And it was given by Bhagavan. Devaihi
Dattan. Okay.
Dattan referring to the Bhogan. Ishtan Vishayan Bhogan. Dattan. Dada Tukta Pratyaya. So Devaihi Dattan. Tan Devebhyaha apradaya. So, yaha devehi dattan devebhyaha apradaya. Bhumte, enjoys. Bhujudatu, bhumte. Saha, stenaha bhavati. That person is a thief.
Hmm.
The one who enjoys is not the real. Okay. The one who doesn't give to what has been given to him by Bhagavan. Saha stena bhavati,
Stena.
thief. So enjoy is that.
Enjoy bhunkte, Sanjay.
Bhumte is that, yes. The word Kriyapadam bhumte is that. Apradaya bhumte. The one who enjoys without offering to Bhagavan. Right.
Hmm.
Now is my voice clear?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Sanjay.
Very much clear.
Yes, Ji. Yes, Ji. Now it has become okay. All.
यः मानवः आत्मतृप्तः तस्य कार्यं न विद्यते यः मानवः आत्मतृप्तः ओके तस्य कार्यं न विद्यते
Start from the Kriya Padam, do the analysis, translation.
विद्यते is the kriyapadam.
Vididatu second gana. Vidyate. Na vidyate. Vid means sattayam. Like Buddhatu. Na vidyate. Not
न कार्यं न विद्यते
Kim na vidyate. Karyam na vidyate. Kasya.
तस्य मानव
Tasya karyam na vidyate.
यः मानवः आत्मतृप्तः
Tasya karyam na vidyate. Tasya is a pronoun. When pronoun is either the subject must have been introduced before or other pronoun must be there. So,
मानवः is a subject.
So yaha, yeah, manavaha is there, or simply the other pronoun must be there, denoting something. So yaha, saha, yaha, tasya, yena, saha, like that. So yaha is there, and also the subject is there. Other part of the sentence, yeah.
यः मानवः आत्मतृप्तः so
Atmatruptaha, Atmani, Truptaha, contented with Atma. So Truptatu, ta pratyaya, Truptaha, contented, satisfied with
himself.
Atma himself. So that goes along with Manavaha, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So yaha Manavaha Atma Truptaha, tasya karyam na vidyate. He doesn't have any karyam. The one who is contented with himself doesn't have karma. Right? Next one. Sentence.
कृपया आविष्टम् अर्जुनं कृष्णः उवाच उवाच क्रियापदं so कृष्णः उवाच कृष्णः अर्जुनम् उवाच कृपया आविष्टम् is it vishta is it vish dhatu ji?
Yeah.
Vish plus ta pratyaya.
Vish plus ta pratyaya, shakara becoming murdhani shakara, then with a upasarga. Avishta means overpowered, overwhelmed by kripaya. So it qualifies Arjuna. So kripaya avishtam Arjunam Krishnaha uvacha. It's a lit nakara. Uvacha is lit remote past. Or you can say we are going to see Uktavan. Here we are going to say. They are going to see that. Uktavan. Or if you make it into lang kartari, what will be the form?
Uttaha.
Huh?
Avada.
You can say Uktaha also, right?
Uktaha.
Yeah.
No. Uktaha. How can we say Uktaha? Uktaha is what is said.
With Ta Pratyaya, we can't say it, right?
With Ta Pratyaya, what is said only. See, Gita Ukta Bhagavata. Vachanam Tena. How can be Uktaha? Krishnaha is the Karta.
Yeah.
Ta Pratyaya will denote karma. Okay, here Krishnaha is the Karta. It's a Kartari Prayoga. So Uvacha is,
Okay.
Vadati.
yeah, Vadati. Past tense is Avadat.
Avadat.
Yes, you can say Avadat. Or Avocha. Avocha. Avochat. Not Avocha, Avochat. So many, these are lung. And Tat is Sadanta. And this Uvacha is. If you want one more form, that also can be given. Which is there? Which will become? Sorry? Aha also you can say.
Brudat.
Or Abravit. Aha. Then Abravit.
You can say Katitaha also, Shanji.
Katitaha. Again. Katitaha, Uktaha, same. Right? So, it will denote karma.
Okay.
It will denote karma. So, Aga, Abravit, Avadat, Avochat. All these are past tense meaning. Here, Uktavan is only Krudanta. Other forms are Lakara forms. Lang Lakara, Lit Lakara forms. Okay. So, fine. Next one.
रागद्वेषे वियुक्तैः प्रसादः अधिगतः.
Yes.
So गतः गम धातु तस्य तौ तु प्रत्ययरूपम्. So अधिगतः
Adhigataha means Prasadaha Adhigataha, obtained. Enaksharasamamnayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat Adhigamya. So, Adi Upasarga, it is in the sense of gaining, obtaining. So, Adhigataha. Okay.
प्रसादः अधिगतः. Then रागद्वेषे वियुक्तैः. So that's तृतीया बहुवचनम.
Ragadvesha Vyuktaihi. Yujudatu Vi Upasarga Ta Pratyaya. Vyuktaihi means he freed from. Yuj means endowed with, together with. Vyuktaha means not endowed with, free from. Free from what?
रागद्वेष.
So Ragad Dveshabhyam Vyuktaha Taihi. Ragadvesha Vyuktaihi. So Ragadvesha Vyuktaihi Prasadaha Adhigataha. So Prasadaha is one. Ragadvesha Vyuktaihi, one who is free from Ragadvesha, he gains Prasada, he gains peace, tranquility. That is the meaning, Adhigataha. Okay, the next sentence. So Adhigataha is where, can you make it into a Karmani, Lang, or Kartari, Lang, Kartari.
Karmani would be gam.
Karmani let or Kartari, Karmani Lang. Only Karmani, okay, not Kartari.
Agamyata in Karmani Lang. Agamyata.
Adi Upasarga.
Adi Upasarga. Adi.
It is statement. It cannot be only a lang lakar. It is statement. It is statement, therefore it can be in Kartari. Kartari. Sorry, Lat Karmani. Not Kartari. Lat Karmani. It is a statement, therefore, let karmani. It is a
Gamyate.
Adhigataha is equal to prasadaha. Karmani only you have to use. And it is a statement, therefore, let. Nothing wrong.
Adi plus gamyate.
Adhigamyate.
Adhigamyate.
Yate, yeah.
Adhigamyate. Okay, if you are using lung, suppose obtained, prasadaha is obtained. It is karmani, right? Therefore, adhigataha is obtained. So if you use, it was obtained.
Adi plus agamyata.
Yeah,
Sandhi ulapa.
adi plus agamyata. So adya,
Agamyata.
agamyata. Form will be. Okay. So, Ganesh.
17. Yasya indriyani indriyarthebhyah nigrihitani tasya prajna pratishtita. So tasya prajna pratishtita means pratishtita is well established or steady. Prajna, knowledge. So one whose knowledge is well established. So yasya indriyani indriyarthebhyah. So indriyani, sense organs, indriyarthe, sense objects. So and nigrihitani, restrained. So one whose sense organs are restrained from sense objects. Sharanji?
Yeah, listening.
So one whose sense organs are restrained from sense objects, his knowledge is steady, well established.
Yes. Pratishtita, the word kriya, the verbal equivalent, pradanta. Pratishtita from stadatu. Pra plus ta plus ta prataya. Pratishtita. Prajna is at pratishtita. If jnanam is at tasya jnanam pratishtitam.
Tishtati or
No, tasya jnanam pratishtitam.
pratishtitam.
Jnanam napumsakalinga pratishtitam. Right?
Prajna pratishtita. Strilinga.
Strilinga. Kasya yasya indriyani nigrihitani. So nigrihitani qualifying indriyani. Grah dhatu with ni upasarga. Grah means grasping. Grahanam. Nigrihitani is withholding.
Restraint.
Restraining. So it is nigrihitani because indriyani. Indriyani napumsakalinga, therefore nigrihitani. Yes.
Bahuvachan.
Yeah, Bhagavachan. Indriyam nigrihitam. Indriyani nigrihitani. Tasmat indriyarthebhyah. Tebhyah indriyarthebhyah. Yasya indriyani.
One whose.
Yeah, one whose. Tasya is prajna is pratishtita. His name is pratishthitam. Next one.
This is bhayat ranad saha bhay.
Yeah.
So should split it as bhayat ranad saha uparataha.
Yeah, it should be Bhayat Ranat.
Bhayat ranat saha uparataha. So uparata means one who is retreated. So ranat uparataha means bhayat ranat saha uparataha. So saha uparata, he who has retreated, ranat. Ranat means from the battlefield. So he who has retreated from the battlefield.
Yeah.
Bhayat means out of fear. So he who has
Okay.
retreated from the battlefield out of fear.
That's a sentence. Saha uparataha. Saha uparataha ram dhatu upasarga upa. So it is akarmaka, therefore denotes the karta. Saha uparataha. And the cause for uparamana kriya is bhayat. And from where so two are in Panchami. One is bhayat, that is hetu. This bhaya is hetu.
Right, hetu.
Hetu for the kriya, uparamanam. And from there, the karaka, apadana is ranat, yuddhat.
Apadana is run.
So two panchamis are there, having different
Different sense.
sense, yes. One is apadana panchami, other one is hetu panchami. Okay, next sentence.
Yes, Shanji.
Is my voice clear now?
Okay, Shanji.
Yes, Ji. Yes, yes.
Oh, still problem is there? I tried.
No problem, Jackie.
No, now it's clear.
Okay.
Next 19.
So whenever we have the sentences like this, ta pratyaya, something, we try to use lakara. If lakara is there, then we use ta pratyaya. That is what we are going to do for the end-to-end lessons. We'll do it. It will be interesting to do that. We'll do a lot of practice. Then only we get the words vocabulary and what kriya padam, and we can we'll see how the equivalent verbal equivalent krudanta can be used. And when you use different lakaras, different prayoga, Tatari prayoga, Brahmani prayoga, we'll see. So you get the grasp of the language. Yes. 19th.
19. Yatha vastrani sharirani tata jeernani tata sharirani. So jeernani means worn out. Jeernani and
Yes.
tata sharirani. So are the bodies.
Body is also jirnani here.
So just as the worn out clothes, so are the bodies.
So are
Yatha
the
tata.
bodies. Yeah. Dhatu, you
So where or no, this is, we can take it as lat. So are the bodies.
so are the bodies. Yeah. It's a statement. Yeah. Yata vastrani jirnani.
Tata sharirani
Jirnani bhavanti.
bhavanti.
Yes. So juru dhatu, worn out. Vayohano juru. So it becomes jirna. We saw juru plus ta pratyaya becomes jirna. Okay, next one.
Evam karma chakram pravartitam. There's a full stop here. So nirmitam karma chakram anuvartaya. So evam, thus karma chakram pravartitam. Pravartitam revolves. So the wheel of karma revolves.
Yeah.
Thus the wheel of karma revolves.
Then
nirmitam karma chakram anuvartaya. Anuvartaya is to follow. So follow this anuvartaya. I think it's construction karma chakram. Follow this wheel of karma. And nirmitam means has been built or stationary. I don't know what it means. Nirmitam means that has been built. That has been constructed.
That has been
Constructed, built.
nirmitam. That has been, yes. That has been formed. That has been constructed. Nirmita.
It
Nirmita.
can also mean stationary, or no, it doesn't mean that.
Not stationary. Nirmita means that which is
Constructed.
produced, right? Nirmitam, that which is constructed. Nirmanam, that's the meaning. So English,
Constructed.
yeah, English, but constructed you can use. Nirmitam,
Built
chakram,
or built.
anuvartaya. Yeah, whatever the karma chakram anuvartaya. Follow the nirmitam, the order. The karma chakram follow the order of the karma chakra. It is from the Gita that
Evam pravartitam chakram.
chakram, that's from that shloka only.
Here now it's karma chakra.
Karma chakra, yeah. So karma chakram napumsakalinga pravartitam. So pravartitam ta pratyaya nirmitam ta pratyaya. Ni ner upasarga mandatu ta pratyaya. Yad vrittadatu ta pratyaya vritra upasarga pravartitam. Okay, next person. Srimati.
Yeah. Gunasammudhaha asaktaha. Is it ignorance or a delusion? Sammudhaha is deluded or Asaktaha means it's not successful, Sharanji.
Gunasammudaha asaktaha. Asaktaha means they are attached to. Asakti.
Okay. So that means the ignorance is still there.
No, no. Gunasammudaha referring to the people. Gunaihi sammudaha. The one who are deluded, very well deluded by the guna.
Okay.
That is also from the Gita. Gunai, Prakriti said Gunaihi. I think in the 3rd chapter it's there. So, Gunena sammudaha. Mudaha, that is from the dhatu, mukh dhatu.
Mukh dhatu.
Mudaha referring to the people. Okay. So,
Okay.
mudaha asaktaha means the people who are deluded by the guna. They are bound. Asaktaha. They are bound. Asaktaha. Asaktaha
Yes.
iti. Right?
Yeah. Because it's mudaha, so it is bahuvachanam asaktaha.
So, mudaha referring to the people. Referring to the people, mudaha. Okay.
Yeah. Then, yaha karmendriyani sanyamya indriyarthan manasa smarati saha vimudaha mithyacharaha. So, yaha, one who karmendriyani
Always start from
the kriya pada. Yeah.
always start from the saha is there. That side you have to start.
Okay.
But it's not the kriya pada not there. Bhavati. Mithyachara bhavati.
Mithyachara.
Mithyachara. Achara is yeah. It is false.
That is a false conduct, a person of false conduct. Saha, the one who is deluded with a false conduct.
He is deluded. He is deluded and he is a hypocrite. Saha. Kaha.
Okay. One who's controlling the organs of action and remembering that is, its mind is remembering those sense objects. It's deluded with that person is called this person is of false conduct.
Yes.
So you can say one who controlling the organs of action and sits with the mind remembering those sense objects, it's deluded. And that person is, so and that person is of false conduct.
Yaha smarati. Yaha manasa smarati. Yaha manasa indriyarthan smarati. Yaha karmeryani sanyamya indriyarthan manasa smarati. Saha vimudaha mithyacharaha. So, smarati, kaha smarati, saha smarati.
Saha smarati.
Manasa smarati, and for the smarana kriya, manas, tritiya, karana, and indriyarthan is a karma. The object of smarana kriya is karma. Then sanyamya, that is one more kriya is there. Sanyamya is also
controlling.
It also has got a verb. It is derivative declinable. So yam is there. Yam plus ya. Lep pratyaya samupasarga. So it must have a karma. So karmendriyani.
Oh, okay.
So having controlled, having restrained the karmendriyas, yaha indriyatan smarati, saha vimudaha, saha mithyacharaha. Cha. Can separate cha.
Okay.
Next.
Okay, sir. Then Brahma Sarvagatam. That is, Brahman is everywhere. It's omnipresent, right?
Yes. Sarvagatam. Pumsakalinga, Sarvagatam. Next sentence.
Then Yatha Karmani Saktaha Avid Dvasaha Karma Kurvanti. Avidvamsaha Karma Kurvanti Tatha Vidwan Lokhe Sangrahate Karma Kurvanti.
It goes like that.
Yes,
In all this,
this is,
you please note the pratyaya, the forms. Already we have seen. So simple.
yeah. So it is karmani saktaha. So we will start from yatha is just as.
Kurvanti. Kurvanti. Do.
Do. What kurvanti.
Kim kurvanti.
Karma.
Kaha kurvanti. Kurvanti. Kaha kurvanti.
Ke kurvanti.
Ki,
Huh? Kaha
Is it
kurvanti.
ke kurvanti or?
It's a mistake actually. Then it be Vidvamsaha. Let us make it karoti. That would be better. Because actually kurvanti is better. Kurvanti, we will change this vidvan to Vidvamsaha.
Vidvamsaha.
Ke kurvanti. Ke kurvanti. Pandita
Yes.
Vidvamsaha. Jnaninaha kurvanti. Kim
Sorry, Sharanji.
Ke kurvanti. Can you hear me now?
Okay. Yeah. Now I can hear.
Ke kurvanti vidvamsaha kurvanti. Panditaha kurvanti. Jnaninaha kurvanti. Kim kurvanti. Karma kurvanti.
Karma kurvanti.
Karma is the object.
Yeah.
Kimartam karma kurvanti te.
Loka sangrahartha.
Loka sangrahartam. For the good of the loka. Loka sangrahartam. Loka sangrahartam karma kurvanti. That is one sentence. Then again one more kurvanti is there.
Yeah.
Ke kurvanti.
Avidvamsaha.
Kurvanti. Avidvamsaha is also pratama vibhakti bhagavachanam. So vidvat, vidvas shabda. Okay. Here, small note you can note. Vidvas is a shabda. You can check the form in the Shabda Manjari. Vidvan, Vidvamsa, Vidvamsaha. Here, the Vid Dhatu, its Shatranta form is Vidvas. Vid Dhatu, its Shatranta form is Vidvas. This in the recent document, which we have not seen, the document what I sent, it is there. That is, Vid Dhatu will take Shatra Pratyaya. And Shatra will be replaced by Vas. Shatra will be replaced by Vasu Pratyaya, Vas Pratyaya, continuous Vas. Therefore, now the Pratipadikam will become with Vas. Meaning is, the one who knows Vidva, Pandita, Jnani, Ityata, Vas Shabda. So, it is actually Shatranta Rupam is Vidvas, but Shatra is replaced by Vas. Therefore, you get Vas. Therefore, it becomes Sakaranta, not Takaranta. In the case of Shatra, generally it will be Takaranta. But here it is Sakaranta. So, if it is Sakaranta, then this is a very specific Shabda. You please see this Shabda Manjari. This Shabda we can know how to decline this, how to derive it. That we will see. So, we have to learn a lot to see that, how to derive the Shabda. That we will see. In fact, in the document what I said, that Ugitanta, there it is there, but it is difficult for you to understand now. Later you will understand. When we learn more, you will understand. This is a declension. How the Nama comes, how Paladipattam happens, all those things will be learned later. Is my voice clear now? Can you all hear me?
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, Jay. Yeah.
If it is not clear, please let me know.
Yeah.
So now, for now, you need to memorize a Shabda. Okay. You cannot know to derive a Shabda now, but you can just memorize. After that, you can derive it. Similarly, Uchivas and all. Okay, let us see the Shabda now. Sakarantaha Pullingaha Vidvas Shabdaha. So it becomes Vidvan. Vidvan. Nummagama comes. These are Nummagama will come for Shatrapratyaya. Remember?
Pullinga, yeah.
Where it will come Shatrapratyaya Nummagama?
The soup from 1 to.
When Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya
Yeah.
Nummagama comes. Right? So here also Nummagama comes. Why? Because Shatra is replaced by Vasu, therefore Nummagama comes. And when Nummagama comes, the Upada Dirghattamandal happens, that you can see here. Vidwan. Whereas in Shatranta it is Patan, simple. Patan, Patantau, Patantaha. Just Nummagama comes. There doesn't, you don't see Dirghattam, not it is not Patan. It is Patan, Patantau, Patantaha. Pachan, Pachantau, Pachantaha. But here it is Vidwan. Vidvamsau. Vidvamsaha. Vidvamsam. Vidvamsau. Then Vidushaha. Vidushaha. There, in fact, Samprasaranam happens. We will see that later. Vidushaha, but not the form. Vidushaha. Vidusha. Vidvadvyam. Vidvadbihi. Vidushe. Vidvadvyam. Vidvadvyaha. Vidushaha. Vidvadvyam. Vidvadvyaha. Vidushaha. Vidushoho. Vidusham. Viduchi. Vidushoho. Vidvatsu. He Vidvan. In Sambodhana there is no Dirghatvam. Not Vidwan, it is Vidvan. He Vidvan. He Vidvamsav. He Vidvamsaha. So in the sentence Vidvamsaha is that Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Vidvamsaha means Panditaha. Na Vidvamsaha, Avidvamsaha. Right?
Yes, sir.
So in the same way, you can decline this Shabda. Eva, Evam, Uchivas, Upehivas, Sedivas, Tastivas. But the declension, how do you decline? Okay, let us take one Shabda. Let us take Tastivas is there. You know, the meaning of Tastivas is equal to Stitavantaha. That is Atishtat. That's the meaning. Tastivas means Atishtat. What is Atishtat?
One who stood.
One who stood.
He remained. That's the meaning. That's called Tastivas. Uchivas. Okay. Uchivas is he spoke. Uchivan. So here, that's what I was about to say, that in this sentence, previous sentence, what we saw. Uvacha, Uktavan, you can add Uchivas also. Uchivan becomes, but it's also a Kridanta. Uchivan. Uchivan means he spoke. Krishna Uchivan. This is form is by the Vasupratya, Litlaka, remote sense, same as Uvacha. Okay, that we will see. Don't worry about that. But know the Shabda. Shabda is Uchivas Shabda. Okay. These are some extra information. We will come back and see what it is in detail later. Uchivas is that Evam Uchivas. Oh, Tastivas. Let us see. Tastivas. How do you decline Tastivas? And anybody?
Paranta Pullinga. Tastivas Shabdaha. Tastivan. Tastivans.
Tastivamsa.
Vamsa.
Tastivamsaha.
Then
Tastivamsam. Tastivamsam. Vidushaha.
Vidushaha is there, therefore?
Tastivashaha.
No. Anybody?
Tasti Ushaha Varma.
Tasti Ushaha, E plus U, what will happen?
Tasti E plus U.
Tasti Oshaha.
Yeah.
Okay.
E plus.
It will become Tastushaha.
Tastushaha. Okay.
Tastushaha. Then
Okay.
Tastusha, Tastivadvyam, Tastivadbihi. Tastushe, Tastivadvyam, Tastivadvyaha. Tastushaha, Tastivadvyam, tastivadvyah. You can please note. Tastushaha, tastushoho, tastusham, tastushi, tastushoho, tastivatsu, etastivan, etastivamsau, etastivamsaha. Now say divas. Let us take another one before one. Say divas. How do you decline say divas? No. In other person, anybody can decline this. Others also.
Shall I try?
Yes, try. Yeah.
Sedivan, Sedivamso, Sedivamsah, Sedivamsam,
Vamsam.
Sedivamsam, Sedivamso,
Hmm.
Sedivash.
No. See, Tastiv became Tastushaha. Sedivas will become?
Seditushah.
No. What did you say, Mitraji?
Sedushaha.
Sedushaha. It will become.
Okay.
Sedushaha. Sedusha. Then Kameshwariji.
Sedusha, Sedudbhyam,
No. That doesn't change. Sedusha,
Sedushabhyam,
No.
Sedusha.
Listen. Sedusha, Sedi Vadvyam. Vadbihi. That doesn't change. Okay. Where does Vidwan you see the same format at Vidwan, Vidvas you can do. Vidushaha, Vidusha, then Vidvadvyam. Vidvadvyam is Vidvat. Vidvas plus Vyam. Vidvadvyam. Vidvas plus Bihi. Vidvadbihi. So Sedusha, Sedivadvyam, when you read this 3, 3, 3, 2, remember 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, and 7, 3.
Yeah.
Pratipadikam gets a sanya.
Pada Sangya.
Pada Sankhya.
I think we all know, right? I taught you, no?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Therefore, there this will not happen. So, say divas plus byam, say divad byam. Only in 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, and 6, 2, and 7, 1, and 7, 2. There only you will see this change. Actually, here what happens is Samprasaranam happens. That and one more thing is, sir. So by that you get this form. Other places it says Pada Sanya, therefore you apply the Pada rule. Now you do it 3, Tritiya Bhakti.
Sedisha. Okay.
Sedisha. Yes.
Sedisha.
Sorry, not Sedisha. Sorry, Sedusha.
Sedusha.
Sedusha. Yeah.
Sedusha. Sedividbhyam.
Sedivad. No, why Sedivid?
Sedivad. Okay. Sedivadbhyam. Sedivadbihi. Sedushe. Sedivadbhyam. Sedivadbhyah. Sedusha. Sedushaha. Panchami or Sashti. Sedushaha, Sedushoho, Sedusham, Sedushi, Sedushoho, Sedutsu.
Sedivatsu. Good.
Sedivatsu. Okay.
Then.
Sambodhana. This is
Sedivan.
He Sedivan, He Sedivamso, He Sedivamsah.
Okay, here one. Okay, let me ask one. You know Vedas Shabda?
Yeah, we did Vedas Shabda.
How do you decline Vedas? Anybody? Vedas. Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Vedas Shabdaha.
Vedaha.
Yeah, Krishnaji, please tell. Vedaha.
Vedaha. Vedamso. Veda.
No. Why Vedamso? Not
Vedaso.
Vedaso. Sorry, Vedaso. Vedasaha.
Then.
Vedasa. Vedaso. Vedaso.
No. Vedasa.
Vedaso, Vedasah.
Okay.
Vedasa, Vedobhyam, Vedobhihi.
Vedobhyam. How do you get Vedobhyam? 3-2.
Sandhi, Visarga Sandhi.
Tell me how it is. What is it? Explain that.
So Vedas plus Bhyam, that's Padasangya. So the Sakara will become Rutvam will happen, and then Visarga will happen, and then Hukara.
Visarga will not happen. Need not happen also. Sakara becoming Repa. Then one Kar follows only Visarga will come. Directly Repa will become U.
Oh, okay.
Therefore,
Then
A plus U. Vedobhyam.
Punam.
Vedobhyam. And here what happens? Shreyas. 3-2. Sorry, in Vidvas, not Shreyas. Vidvas. 3-2.
Vidvadhyam, you are asking, ji?
Huh?
You are asking that Vidvadhyam?
Vidvadhyam. 3-2.
So Vidvas plus Bhyam.
Vidvas plus Bhyam. Not, it is with, Sakara doesn't becoming. Oh, Guna happens here. I mean, Sakara, it is not, it is Padanta Sakara only. Padanta Sakara replaced by Repa, Ru. Repa is depending on what follows and precedes Ukara Adesha, right? If I preceded by Akara, followed by Hash, then Ukara Adesha, then you get Vedobhyam, Vedobhihi. But here, with Dvas, if Sakara is replaced by U, suppose I'm saying it is not, if it is. But Sakara itself cannot be replaced, in fact, because here one more rule is there, another rule, which is exception. With Dvas, note this. This is for this some shabdas it will be useful. With Dvas, I told it is a Vas Anta Pratipadikam. Okay. If Vas Anta Pratipadikam, then that Vas Anta Sakara, right? Vas Anta Padam, this Vidvas is a Pratipadikam as well as a Padam. Now, if Sakara is a part of Vas Pratyaya at the end of the Padam, then Sakara will be replaced by Dakara. If Sakara of Vas and Vas at the end of the Padam, then Sakara will be replaced by Dakara. So therefore, Vidvas will become Vidvad. Only Sakara replaced by Dakara. That only happens. Therefore, you get Vidvad. Yeah.
It's not Jalam Jashi.
No. It won't apply there. Vasu Sramsu Dhamsu Anaduham Daha 8-72. That sutra will apply. Apavada to that Rutva Vidhi. That is generally that Padanta Sakara replaced by Ru. That will not apply. Okay. So here, if I will say one thing, just see whether you can follow. I think everything I have been taught to you, not the sutra, but the rule. Now listen. Padanta Jal replaced by what? Anybody can answer. And you tell me whether you can follow what I say.
Jash.
Just what that rule, that Sandhi is called?
Jashtva Sandhi 1.
Jashtva Sandhi number 1. Padanta Jal. Now Padanta Sakara is there. What will happen? Padanta Sakara. Simple.
Visarga generally here it is Sakara.
Padanta Sakara. Okay. Padanta Sakara will become? Repa is nothing but?
Visarga.
Will become Visarga. Right? Repa after, because followed by Padanta I said. So Kara Avasana Yogo, Avasana becomes Visarga. This is clear?
Okay.
Now Sakara is it a Jal or not?
Jal.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Then why don't you apply Jashtva Vidhi, number 1? You understand my question?
Yeah.
Oh, then the other rule becomes useless then.
This is
That will
Apavada.
precede.
This is Apavada. Padanta Jal. Jal is Jabain Gadadash, Jabagadash, Kapa Chatata, Chatata, Kapai Shasar, Hal, all is there. Sakara is there. Sakara is a part of Jal. If Sakara alone is excluded, if Sakara is there, then don't apply Jashta Sandhi. Clear? If Sakara is there, Padanta Sakara, don't apply Jashta Vidhi. Therefore, Padanta Sakara will be replaced by Repa. That is, Ru is nothing but Repa. And Repa will become Visarga. That process, you know. I don't have to repeat that. Okay. So, that is Apavada. Apavada to Jashta Vidhi number 1. Similarly, listen, Vas Anta. Vas, just remember Vas Anta. Vasu is a pratyaya. Vas Anta Padam, that Sakara is there. That will not be replaced by Padanta Sakara. Okay. That will not be replaced by Repa. It will be replaced by Dakara. So 3 rules. One is Apavada to the other. For Jashtavidhi number 1, this Padanta Sakara replaced by Repa is Apavada. For Padanta Sakara replaced by Repa, for that Vas Anta Padam, where Sakara is there, that replaced by Dakara, that is Apavada. Is it clear? So,
Yes, Ji.
3 levels are there. Okay, so therefore Vidvadhyam. So if you know this, then declension will be easy. Okay. Then otherwise also it is easy only, but you know why it is now. But it is not, see, I have to elaborate further on this, but it is out of scope now. I cannot do it now. We need to talk about other things. Then only how this Shabda comes and all, it can be explained. But now, for the sake of memorizing the Shabda, knowing the Shabda, this information, I think it is enough. Okay. You understand, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Charanji.
Yes, sir.
Padanta Sakara replaced by, what is the name we have given for that? I don't know what name. I mean, if you can know by name, these exceptions. That is rule. That is Sutra. Sutra not required now here. This is not Sutra class. They say Sutra is a problem. That's why I say Sutra also.
Maybe Rutvam we have given.
Rutvam you-
Rutva Vidhi. Okay. Rutva Vidhi, you can suppose if you say Rut, but Rutvam also is there in Padanta Nakara becoming Ru. That is also Rutva Vidhi. So
That is what.
that is Padanta Nakara becoming Ru. That is also Rutva. Anyway, remember Padanta Sakara becoming Ru. For that Vidhi is Apavada to Jashta Vidhi, number 1. And the Sakara of the Pratyaya Vasu at the end of the Padam replaced by Dakara. That is Apavada to this Padanta Sakara replaced by Ru. This is sequence. This sequence, you remember?
8 to 66.
For
Yeah.
those who know Sutra, 8 to 66 is Apavada to 8 to 39. And 8 to 70
8 to
to 8 to 66. Okay. Fine. So that's
66. Okay. Okay.
So here Vidvas plus Bhyam. Vidvas is Padam, Padanta Sakara, and it is a part of the Vasu Pratyaya. Therefore replaced by Dakara. Therefore Vidvat Bhyam. Is it clear? So 3 2 3 3, 4 2 4 3, 5 2 5 3, and 7 3 you see Vidvatsu. Vidvad plus Su. What is that Sanya Vidvas gets there? 7 3. Vidvas plus Su.
Padam.
Padam. Now Padanta Sakara, what will happen? Just now I said the rule. Replaced by?
Yeah, Repa.
Repa.
Not Repa.
That's the
Dakara.
general rule.
Dakara.
Dakara. Okay.
Dakara.
8 to 72. Okay.
Vidvad plus Su. Now Dakara will be replaced by?
Dakara.
Chatva.
Therefore Vidvad Su. Okay. Okay. So Tastivas you saw. Okay. Tastivas therefore all these shabdas are simple. Only Dvitiya Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam if you know. That is enough. So that Tritiya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, all the Ekavachanam of Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, and Saptami, as well as Shashti Vibhakti, Dvivachanam, Saptami, Dvivachanam you can do. So Tastivas will become Tastushaha in Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Sedivas will become Sedushaha, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Upeyivas will become Upeyivas. That what will happen to Upeyivas?
Yusha.
Upeyushaha.
Upeyushaha. Remember, Upeyushaha. Uchivas will become
Uchusha.
Uchishaha.
Uchushaha. Uchushaha. Okay. Uchivas will become Uchushaha. Clear?
Yes, yeah.
Yes, Shri.
Okay. And Vidvas is Pullinga. Srilinga will become Srilinga
Vidhushi.
Vidushi. It becomes Vidushi. Vidvas. Vidvas plus E. Ni pratyaya. What will happen? Vidvas plus E. There also. Like Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam you saw Vidushaha. It becomes Vidushi. You connect with Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. So Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam of Pullinga is Vidushaha. And Srilinga Pratipadikam will be Vidushi. So what would be the Srilinga Pratipadikam of Tastivas?
Tushi.
Tastushi.
Tastushi.
She.
Tastushi. Tastivas is Tastushaha. Tastushaha will become Tastushi, Srilinga. Right? Once you get Vidushi, Tastushi, then Ikaranta Shabda, Nadi Shabdavati. You can decline. There's no problem in that. Clear? Is it difficult?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Okay,
Ji.
you have to practice.
You have to practice this. So this today Vidva Shabda is introduced. See, in fact, I wanted to revise all the Shabdas, just making you remember all the Halanta Shabda. First we can do Halanta Shabda. So starting from Jalamuch, I think, Chakaranta. We will do it. But now this Vidva Shabda with the minimum, what do you call it? Minimum, I mean, there are not, I didn't teach you any rules. Just showing you the similarity, the connection, how to decline. If you know one Shabda, other Shabdas are easy. So there is no difficulty. You need to practice that. Okay. So remember the technique or the method what I told. For Srilinga, you take the Pullinga, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Take this example. Vidushaha is there, Vidushi. Tastushaha will become Tastushi. Sedushaha will become Sedushi. Upeyushaha will become Upeyushi. Uchushaha will become Uchushi. Right? Clear?
Gee, it's for Uchivas or Upeyivas. You said Samprasaran will happen, so the Vakara will become Ukara, but then prior to that there is a E, right? So what
Don't
will
worry
happen
about
to
that. Don't worry about that. It is out of scope now. I don't want to tell Hada. If I tell necessarily, people will get confused. That this abhyasa happens.
So I was doing Sandhi and then I was.
No. If you do Sandhi, again you will come. You will get Yakara. One more Yakara will come. Then it's a problem. No. That E goes away. Remember, that E goes away. Okay. Because okay. I'll tell you because you asked. Okay. Vas is what pratyaya?
Shatru, you told.
It replaces Shatru. Okay. So what pratyaya vas is?
Shit.
Okay, Sarudhatukam. Yeah.
It's Ardhadhatuka pratyaya.
Ardhadhatuka. Okay. Is it not? Okay.
Therefore, what will...
Therefore, okay, the guna will happen?
No. When they say Ardhadhatuka, immediately what should come to your mind?
Valadi.
Very good.
Valadi
Valadi.
Take.
Itagama.
Itagama. Now, when Samprasaranam happens, Vakara will become?
Vakara.
Oh.
Where is Vakara? Where is Valadi? It's no more Valadi. Therefore, E also goes away. Clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Remember, when the cause is not there, where is the effect?
Yeah.
Karanam, you remove it. Where is the karyam? That is what happens here. Okay. But we say some other paribhasha. Nimitta paya, nimitika payam and paribhasha, we have told you in the Ashtadhyayi class.
Yes. Yeah.
But here it is different paribhasha. Akrita vyugaha Paniniyaha, one paribhasha is there. So, by that paribhasha, when the cause is going to change, the corresponding effect also goes away. Iti Paniniyaha, the knowers of the Panini Sutras, they think, and therefore the Ikara goes away. In Viduvas, there is no problem. Ikara not there. Whereas in all the other words, Uchivas, Upeyivas, Sejivas, all these are Ikara is there. It's Ikara because of this Vas. Vas is a Vala, the other Pratyaya, Itagama comes. When Vakara becoming Ukara, it goes away. Not there. And one more thing, here Tastivas and all, these are reduplication has happened. It is like a Litlakara. Sta become Tasti. Okay, anyway, that part I will leave it. No, not too much into this. Otherwise, we'll be doing research on Vidvas Shabda. That we will see when we see Vidvas separately. Now, to remember the Shabda, memorize the Shabda, know this much. Vidvan Shabda, you know it. Vidvan Shabda, you know it. Simple. And for 3233, 4243, 5253, and 73, remember, the Sakara becoming Dakara. That is number 1. And 2331, 41, 51, 61, and 62, and 71, and 72. Remember, there Vidushaha. The form is Vidushaha. Know this, the same thing you apply for Evam, Uchivas, Upeyivas, Shabdas. You get the form. When you do this, for this, that is 2, 3 and all, the E goes away. That you remember. So, Tastushaha, Sedushaha. And for Srilinga, you take Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. The form you take Vidushaha, Srilinga will be Vidushi. So, like that for other Shabdas. This much you remember, it is enough. Okay. Not too much into the technicalities. That is not required now. We are not doing Panini yet. That we'll see in Panini class. For that, we have to know given basic, and some base should be given. Then only we can build on that. Okay, we started from that. Started from
24th we were doing.
Huh?
24th number.
24th. Okay, Vidvamsaha started. Okay. So Vidvamsaha is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Okay. So Vidvamsaha, na Vidvamsaha, Avidvamsaha. So Avidvamsaha karma kurvanti. Yatha karmani sattaha. So karmani sattaha is attached to karma. So karmani is separate word. Yatha karmani sattaha avidvamsaha karma kurvanti. Tata vidvamsaha karma kurvanti. Lokasangraha. Right? Okay, next person. Rameshwari.
Here karma saktaha, that what is the karmani saktaha meaning? I don't get it. Saktaha, who is capable like that, or
no, one who is attached to karma. Vidvamsaha is Bhagavachanam, Pratama Bhakti, and they are Saktaha, that is also Pratama Bhakti Bhagavachanam, attached to what? Karma.
okay. 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 Next is Trishu Lokeshu me Anavaptam Avaptavyam Nasti. Nasti, then Anavaptam Avaptavyam Nasti. That is obtained and not obtained, or not there. In all the three worlds, there is no.
I don't know how do you analyze the sentence. First start.
No.
Nasti.
See, Nasti means it's not there. Anavaptam Avaptavyam. Anavaptam means.
Nasti. What Nasti? Avaptavyam Nasti. Avaptavyam is Aptavyam, Avaptavyam, same meaning. Avaptavyam, what is to be gained? Nasti. Nasti, what Nasti? What to be gained? To be gained is not there. Why? To be gained is not there. Anavaptam, that which is not gained, to be gained, not there. Okay. For whom? For me.
Fish.
Me.
Oh.
For me, me is for me.
Yeah.
Kutra, Trishulokeshu.
Trishulokeshu.
This is how you have to take the sentence I'm saying. Okay.
Yeah.
From the Kriya Padam, Nasti is there. Okay, what is the subject in the sentence? Which is in Prathama Vibhakti here. Subject must Avaptavyam, right? Avaptavyam Nasti. And that is qualified by Anavaptam.
Anavaptam.
Aptavyam, Avaptavyam, same. No difference, okay? Tavya. Tavya means that which is to be gained. Did I teach you Tavya?
No.
Okay, that is the next topic we'll see after this Kridanta. So that also we can, that form also we can do for dhatus. Tavya, Aniyar, and Yat Pratyaya with some introduction we'll see. There are also a lot of the exception, other things are there. We'll see how it can be done without the sutras. So Aptavyam, Avaptavyam Nasti. And Avaptavyam is qualified by Anavaptam. Now Anavaptam is the word where Pratyaya is there. You tell me where it is there, Kameshwarji.
Pardon, I don't get it. Ta pratyaya is. Huh?
Yeah, Ta Pratyaya is there. You have to find Dhatu now.
Yeah. Tam ta Anavaptam is in Napumsakalinga form of ta Anavap.
What is a Dhatu? Tell me.
Apdhat.
Abdhat, very good. Abdhat.
Ap plus the plus that Napumsakalinga, it becomes Ap.
Yes.
Aptam. Ana plus A. This is
A plus A. Na apta.
Anavapta.
Anavapta. It's samasa. Okay. Na apta.
Yeah.
If when you say na apta negative for the word beginning with the vowel.
Vowels, yeah. It becomes.
Then I remember.
Unwelcome.
An plus apta. Anavapta.
Anavapta.
Abha upasarga is there. Okay, don't forget that. Abha upasarga. Abha plus apta. Avapta. Abha plus apta becomes apta. Anavapta. Becomes anavapta. It becomes. Abha plus A plus Ta pratyaya. Avapta. And Avaptam. Napumsakalinga. Na avaptam.
Anavapta. Anavaptam.
Anavaptam, avaptavyam. Qualifying. Anavaptam, vibhakti now. Anavaptam, that which is not gained, to be gained, avaptavyam, nasti, na asti, not there. For whom? For me.
For me, 3 words.
Mama nasti. Mama kinchit avaptavyam nasti. Mama kinchit avaptavyam nasti. Anavaptam kinchit avaptavyam nasti. Trishulokeshu api, in all the 3 words. Right?
Yeah.
This is,
it looks like both the words meaning in the same. Anavaptam and avaptavyam.
No. Anavaptam is negative. What is not gained and what is to be gained. Not there.
Okay.
So I mean I have everything. I don't have to gain anything. Fulfilled, complete, right? Why it is same? Here,
no, it looks.
It is negative.
It's
okay. This avaptavyam also you told not to be gained, right?
No, I didn't say that. No. Avaptavyam.
To be gained.
Aptavyam I said.
Okay, to be gained, that is.
Avapasarga, that doesn't change the meaning. Avaptavyam is same.
Okay, both mean the same. Okay.
Avaptavyam, aptavyam, same. And anavaptam is negative.
Okay.
Avaptam, na avaptam, anavaptam. Right? It is not same. Okay, continue.
Okay. Mantras were seen by rishis in meditative state. in meditative state, dhyana.
No. First, I don't know whether you've done translation. Even if you have done, always the Kriya Padam first.
Yeah, where seen. So drishta here mantras bahuvachanam. So mantrani drishtani.
Okay, that's good. Mantrani drishtani.
Drishtani by rishis. So
Drishtani is the first. Kani drishtani.
Mantrani drishtani. By rishis, so it is rishibihi. Tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. So it's in meditative state. So dhyana avasthayam saptami.
Dhyana avasthayam rishibihi mantrani
Drishtani.
Good.
Next, the Gita was taught by Krishna to Arjuna in the battlefield. Gita was taught. So Gita Patita.
Sorry. Gita
Patita by Krishnena.
Krishna to
Arjuna.
Okay, sorry. This is a problem here. Okay. You can thought. You can say. You can say thought.
So you in the battlefield. So first I said Patita, Gita Patita, Krishnena Gita Patita.
Okay.
Yuddha Kshetri, in the battlefield, Yuddha Kshetri, and to Arjuna for that Arjunanaya, is it correct?
Arjunaya. Krishnena Arjunaya Gita Patita.
Arjunaya Gita Patita.
Okay.
Next.
Arjunam, we can say.
Huh?
We can replace Arjunaya by Arjunam. Ramaha Krishnena Arjunam Gita Patita. Can we say?
Arjunam, no.
Krishnena Arjunam Gita Patita.
Arjunam is what Arjunam now? For the Kriya Padam, in what way it is connected?
You can use it as karma, Shanji, to Arjuna.
See, in what way it is connected to the part Patana Kriya? Patita is there. Okay. Ka Patita, Gita Patita. Kena Patita, Krishnena Patita. Then
Krishnena.
Kasmai Patita only you can ask, right?
Yeah.
So Arjunaya Patita. Arjunaya Gita.
Okay.
That would be proper.
Okay.
Okay. Now let us take Arjunam also you can say. Yes, you are right. Arjunam also you can say. That is also correct only. Yes. Now, why it is correct, I'm saying. We convert this into Kartari Vakya. Krishna Gitam Patayati, right? Krishna Gitam Patayati. Krishna Arjunam Gitam Patayati, you will say. Say nothing wrong. Krishna, because Pat Dhatu, it is Dvikarmaka Dhatu. Yes, Parvatiji. Vikarmaka dhatu. Bru dhatu, this dhatu. Yes, it will take two karma. So, in that you have to see which is pradhana karma, which is gauna karma. Pradhana and gauna. Okay, Vikarmaka, we will talk about that in a bit in detail later. Dvikarmaka dhatus means the dhatus which can take two karmas. So, patana means the object of teaching is there, what is being taught, and to whom you teach. This patita, the asking question, that prashna kriya, patana kriya, or katana kriya, all these can take to karma. There are many dhatus are like that. Okay, a list of dhatus are there. Many means maybe around 20 or something. So it can take two karma. So if you take the vakya in Kartari, just Kartari, let Kartari, Krishnaha Geetam Patayati. Arjunam Geetam Patayati is correct. Arjunaya Geetam Patayati also correct. Gita is Pradhana Karma, and Arjuna is not Pradhana. So when you do Karmani Prayoga, Arjunaya would be better. It will take Chaturthi. Arjuna is also correct. Because it is Gauna Karma, therefore it will take Chaturthi. Okay.
Oh,
Which,
okay.
which in that which is Gauna, in Karmani, it will be Chaturthi, Vibhakti. So like that, we will see some dhatus that explain Pradhana, what is Pradhana Karma, what Vibhakti Pradhana Karma will take, what Vibhakti Gauna Karma will take. So here Arjuna is Gauna, Gita is Pradhana. Gita, because the karma which is Pradhana, therefore Gita, in Karmani Prayaga, Gita becomes Pratama Vibhakti. Arjuna is Gauna, therefore Arjuna goes in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Therefore I said Arjuna. Yeah. Your question is valid. Here Arjuna. Yeah.
And also Kartari means we can tell like Krishna, Arjunam, Gita, Patita. That will be okay, but here
Gita,
it is
not Patita, Patayati.
Arjuna is correct. Patayati, correct. So here it is Karmani, so Arjunaya is correct, I think. Arjunam.
Arjunaya, because
instead of Arjunam, Arjunaya we have.
Because Patana Kriya is Dvikarmaka, therefore Arjunaya. There are some rules.
Okay.
If it is Gauna Karma for a Dvikarmaka dhatu, what Vibhakti it will take? That we have to see. Okay. So here Chaturthi would be better. So Krishnena Arjunaya Gita Patita. Now, Kameshwaraji.
Third one.
No. What?
This is over now.
Yuddha Kshetre. Okay.
Yuddha Kshetre I said first. Yuddha Kshetre Krishnena Gita Arjunaya Patita.
Okay. We can stop the second sentence. Then third sentence, we'll do it in the next class.
Okay.
So if you have any doubts, please ask. We discuss something which is out of scope of the class. Anyway, whatever you understand, it is okay. Then that's not going. Not understanding also not going to hurt. Now, at least we are going to see that again in some other context in detail. So, you have any doubts? Anybody?
No, Ji.
Okay.
No, Sharanji.
Please do the.
For Divadigana Dhatu, like we always add the Nich Pratyaya and then only we even for the Ikta Pratyaya.
I didn't get you again.
No, for the Divadigana Dhatus, Nich Pratyaya is always done first and then only the Ta Pratyaya is added.
Where is the Divadigana here?
No, the Churadikana, sorry.
Oh, Chura, that's what I confused. Why Divadigana you're saying?
Yeah.
Churadigana, yes. Yes. Nich is added first and then only Ta Pratyaya added. Yes.
Okay, so for some reason I was thinking that it's only done Sarvodhatika Pratyaya.
No. Nich Pratyaya is added. Where it is not, it's not given at all like that. So Churadigana Dhatu will take Nich. Swarte Nich or Preranate Nich. Then only you get a new Dhatu. After getting a new Dhatu, only you can add Ta Pratyaya. Right?
Okay.
Churadigana Dhatus are Dhatus. Those Dhatus have to be converted into a Dhatu again by adding Nich Pratyaya. Okay.
Sharanji, I have one question. You know, when I was working on it, I thought it might be Patayita. That would be wrong.
Patayita.
Because Krishna was teaching, it's causative. That's what I was thinking.
Why party?
You,
Party is the dhatu. Party plus the patita.
oh, okay. Okay, so we do
How
add
you
the
get
niche and the-
pataya? Pataya, you don't, yakara, you don't get it. Pat becomes party plus
yeah.
which will
I
become.
was confused because we would say Patayati in Kartari. So that's where I think I went wrong.
No. Chorita, pat becomes patita. Right?
Okay.
So
Yes.
there it doesn't happen. Kad, what will happen to kad?
Khadita. Yeah.
What will happen to kadita? Kadita is same.
Yeah, but Khadita is not causative though. Khad is just the action of doing it.
No. I'm asking the causative form of kad dhatu.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Action of, see, causative form of kadayati means what? Feeding.
Mm-hmm.
Kadati, kadayati. Kadati eats. Kadayati, causing to eat. It means feeding. So kadita is kadatu plus ta pratyaya kadita. What is eaten? Kaditam. Now, what
Yes.
bread? How do you say it? Kad plus nich. Kad plus nich. That also form will be kadita only. So depending on the
Khadita. So both forms would be the same then.
context, decide the meaning, what it is.
Okay.
Okay.
But we can write Upadishta, Sharanji.
Huh?
Instead of Patita, can we write Upadishta?
Very good. This dhatu you can say.
That's what it is.
Upadishta. Yes, you can say Upadishta. Upadesham. Okay. Or you can Upadishta, then Upadishta, or Upadesham, you complete. Upadesham.
Upadesham Krita.
Krita. Krita. Krita. Gitopadesham Krita. You can make like that. Gitopadesham Krita. Gitopadesham Krita. Upadishta is Upadesham Krita only.
Okay.
Right.
Because I wrote it as Upadishta, so I want to check whether it's.
Suppose if you use Karmani, lung, what will be the form? Anybody?
Upadesh. You have to add at agama. So it will be Upadesha.
Huh?
Will it be you have to it will become guna? Plus U.
Simple part itself you take.
Upadesham is Upadesham.
Akarot. Gita Upadesham Akarot.
Akarot. Gita did, or Gita was taught?
No. Gita was.
Patita you take. Simple part itself you take. Pat becomes party. Now what is the karmani of that?
Apatayata.
Apatayat.
Apatyata.
Apatyata.
Gita apatyata. And if it is dish dhatu with upasarga, what will happen? Upadishyata. Upadishyata. The form will be Upadishyata. Gita Upadishyata Krishnena. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Upadishya, but it will take some time.
Yes, we need to know a lot of abhyasa. Then we used it. Okay.
So in this instance, if we do Upadesham Kruta, should it be Upadesham Krutam maybe? Because we're changing the Gita Upadesham.
Yes, you're right. It is Upadesham Krutam, not Kruta.
But it depends on Gita, no, Sharanji.
Gita Upadesham.
See, you have to make it. Gita Upadesham, you have to make it. Gita Upadesham. Upadesham, you have to connect with Gita. Okay. Gita, it's Samasa. If you make it Samasa, Gitopadesham, you have to say.
Sham is, yeah.
Gitopadesham Kritam, you can say. Or Gitayaha Upadesham Kritam, not Krita. You're right. Okay. I didn't see that. Okay. Upadesham Kritam only.
There's a lot of things to watch.
Yeah.
It comes only when we do that's why I said the Anton is a very good exercise. In, the Gurukulam I'm teaching now, I'm going to finish the volume 1 and volume 2 going to be started. So all the possibilities we see and you do, all the lakanas, Rudanta, then the language will develop. See, the language develops over a period of time, doesn't develop. Right? So it takes a lot of time and a lot of reading is required, a lot of practice is required. Now some grammar you know the certain grammar. I think that is more than enough for developing the language. Still a lot more to learn. Anyway, the learning, there is no limit. A lot of things are there to learn. Anyway, so we will do as much as possible. And Friday also we can have, I extended the class like this. Sorry, next we have another class. But we'll start now. Okay, we'll stop here. Is my voice clear now?
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, Ji.
I speak, it is clear. So you should allow me to speak then. Okay.
We are very happy about that, Sharanji.
Yeah, all are pretty much happy to listen always.
To listen to you. That,
No, but Gita, you can say Sanskritam, we have to speak, I have to listen. Om Purnamadah Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanta Shanta Shanti Harihi Om Shri Guru Namaha Harihi Om.
धन्यवादः जी
धन्यवाद शरणजी
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः जी
Dhanyawad, Sharanji.
Sharanji, the Gita class is on Sunday, right, Sharanji?
Yeah, I changed it because
Yeah.
The Sanskritam class, we could not, generally it takes time. Sanskritam, there is no time limit really.
Yeah, yes.
Discussion extends, so that gets in, I change it. We will have it on Sunday. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Sharanji. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.